So today, it's been a minute since I made a video. I've been over there working on the motorhome, getting ready to, in 3 weeks, head to Florida with it. So we kind of went over a pretty decent little interior remodel, and it's been a very daunting task. So we'll get to that. I'll make another video on that before we get ready to go on that adventure. But right now, since it's raining and I can't paint any cabinet doors, I kind of got on this truck a little bit and I removed that metal plate that was in the back that they had on that Tommy gate. See, what they used to use this truck for is they hauled 55-gallon drums of oil with it, so they had the Tommy gate and all that stuff on there. But what I've done is I wanted to get that plate out. If you watched in my other video when we were working on the Blazer, you seen that just big heavy-duty metal plate. Well, I wanted it out of there. I don't have any use for it. It's not going to be used for anything that I'm going to be doing with this truck, for pulling cars and doing light-duty stuff. So I got the metal plate out of it, and now I'm just kind of scrubbing it up. I'm going to use some like Rust-Oleum or maybe that Van Sickle tractor paint, you know, and just kind of do the bed floor and all that stuff. But then I got thinking on the tops, I was like, man, that looks like it's rust coming up through the paint. Well, as I was kind of using one of those little green kind of SOS scrub pads, it was starting to come off. So I was like, you know, I got nothing to lose. So what I did is I got some 320 grit sandpaper and I wet sanded the whole top of the bed rail. Now I'm sure it's probably not good on the clear coat, but it really wasn't in that good a shape anyway, so I kind of had nothing to lose. So I'm gonna slide over here to this side. Use a little bit of, I put a little Dawn dish soap in it, but so far most of it is coming off. So now I know there's better ways to do this. I'm sure there's a chemical, something you could buy, use finer paper or whatever. But this isn't a 69 Camaro or a 69 Dodge Charger or anything. It's just a work truck. So even if I got to like re-clear the top where the paint comes off, I kind of don't care, because that's why I buy these old trucks that are half used and half wore out, because I can actually use them as a pickup, you know. I don't need a King Ranch 4-door, something that's all fancy like a Cadillac. I just want a truck for what it's made for, you know. I don't need all the creature comforts, and I don't want to spend that kind of money. So that's why I, you know, buy these trucks and use them till, you know, I've used them up. So, but yeah, so I'm going to do some more scrubbing, and yeah, I think this is going to turn out pretty good. I'm sure it's going to knock the clear coat sheen off of it, but maybe I might use like a rubbing compound and try to buff it off some, but really it doesn't matter. Like I said, it's a work truck. So hey, come help me. Hey, come help me. Come here. Come here, help me. Come on, it's okay.
I don't want to wear yours.
Well, we gotta wear some shorts, okay? We're outside.
Mommy.
Why don't you pick those cherries off that tree, all right?
I don't want to.
You don't want to? That's okay. That's all right.
I'll make a Halloween Christmas tree.
Make one.
Daddy, I'm seeing a Christmas tree.
We'll make you one. All right. Good job.
I'm gonna make a trick-or-treating tree.
You love it so much? Sounds like a fire truck.
I think it's a police officer.
It might be.
Oh, look at my Christmas tree. Look.
I see that. It's cool.
That's so pretty.
Yeah, that's awesome. Good job. And I'm sure after it dries, it'll be a little chalky looking, but I'm sure you could take some rattle can clear coat, you know, and just spruce it up. Probably make it look pretty good. And again, plenty good enough for a work truck. So yeah, I'd say that's not too bad. Way better than it was. And excellent for a rainy day where you can't do much else, you know. Definitely use this rainy day time to do something good besides sit on the couch. So yeah, I just kind of go back over some of this. It'll come off. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that.
Daddy, this be in my hair. This got in my hair.
Oh, did it? That's okay.
This and it got in.
So yeah, when you can't do anything else in this rain, there's always something to do. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and yeah, probably have to finish this. I have to finish those cabinet doors, and we'll finish our little remodel me and my wife's working on. And then probably after the trip, we'll get back on the gray Blazer. I've just kind of, ever since we decided to kind of spruce this motorhome up and get it looking a little bit better, we've kind of had to really all hands on deck you know, get on that thing. So yeah, probably after the trip we go on, we'll get back on the Blazer and get it up and going, and then hopefully I can work on the green one. Like, I'm just so excited to work on that, and I got all this other stuff in the way, but we'll get to it. So thank you for watching.